G'day folks, this is a Danfoss Manurop reciprocating commercial compressor. Scrapped quite a few of these over the years and I realise I've never really done a video on them. I believe these ones here are a V-twin configuration. I haven't popped it open yet, I've just cut it with the 9-inch grinder, not all the way through, keep the inside clean. This is a used compressor. Been replaced by Danfoss themselves, so it might be a warranty thing or something. We'll soon find out when I open it up. It's 460 to 400 volt, or 400 to 460 volts, 3 phases, 50 or 60 hertz, maximum 12 amps, R22 obviously, and mineral oil. Model is MT57 HL4A. by Manurop Compressors in France. There we go. It is a V-twin. Nothing too fancy in the housing, but you can see how deep I've cut. Hasn't quite gone through anywhere. That's the trick to opening them without getting metal shavings inside, or at least not much. Doesn't appear to have been a motor burnout. Still turns alright, but there's no compression, so I might have thrown the rods. That's one discharge muffler and cylinder down the bottom. That's second discharge muffler with the cylinder down the bottom. Well, I guess the good thing about dealing with current models is there's no shortage of information online. I found this data sheet or PDF file on all their models. 1, 2 and 4 cylinder models, refrigerant types, plumbing, how it all works. Fantastic drawing right there, there's your piston, main crankshaft, 3 spring mounts, motor, mufflers. All here. Code numbers. Reference. What I'm looking for is pin outputs. I've forgotten which pin is which on these. I'm going to try and power the motor up. So I'll look this up and try hooking it up. There we go. All the wiring diagrams. I'm dealing with a 3-phase compressor, but I want to single phase it, and that's the polarity there. Common at the top, start and run. That's pump down cycle. Refrigerant types and lubricants, polyester, mineral, filling capacity, temperature. Good stuff. Okay, that's what I'm dealing with right there. MTZ 057 HL4A simply means 400 volts, and according to the chart, what was A again? Packing type, I think, yeah. That would be generation index actually. Yeah, that's generation index. But as you can see, it is 5.87 cubic inches per revolution, 733 cubic feet per hour at 3600 RPM, so it's a 6-pole motor. 2 cylinders, 61 ounces of oil and 82 pounds overall weight. Very good. Alright, what I'm about to demonstrate is a single phasing condition where your 3-phase power starts to drop phases. I'm only running 2 phases here, or single phase 240 volts into 2 of the 3 pins. stator just twitches and changes direction. And that crackling sound is the stator heating up and cracking its enamel. She's just turned into a heating element. It's unplugged. Oh yeah, very hot. That's what kills them. Heats up very quick. Even though this does have a thermal overload, they will eventually burn anyway. Alright, this is a 115 microfarad run capacitor. Let's see if she wants to run. I guess it doesn't have busted con rods. It's funny how the oil's foamed up like that though. Mind you, the housing was under pressure when I opened it up, so there might still have been refrigerant dissolved in it. Funny why Danfoss would throw out a used compressor that's not actually broken, but then again it's probably for demonstration purposes. They might have had it set up on a demo rig. That oil's just foaming like mad now. They must have pumped the system down a bit, but not actually recovered all the refrigerant. It's even migrating out of the stator. Those white dots are actually bubbles of gas coming out between the laminations. Oh, that works. I'll run it for a bit and see what it does. I'll see if she gets hot. Okay, it doesn't like the run cap. Not the motor I've got to worry about, it's the bloody capacitor. Oh, that stuff stinks. I'll get the fans running. Oh, I think I might actually got that capacitor mixed up. The markings on it were scrubbed off, so I'm not even sure whether it was a start or a run capacitor. I have a feeling it was a start capacitor because it's wired up the right way. Try and roast another one. This is a real 40 microfarad run capacitor. It does not have enough current to run it.